If you want to connect your MetaQuest to your Roku TV so you can see everything on a bigger screen, here's how to do it. First, make sure your MetaQuest 2 and your Roku TV are connected to the same Wi Fi network. This is super important or the casting won't work. Next, turn on your Roku TV and go to Settings. From there, select System, then Screen Mirroring, and set it to prompt. This lets your TV accept incoming connections. Now, put on your MetaQuest 2 headset. Press the Oculus button on your controller to open the main menu. Then select Camera or Sharing and tap on Cast. You should see a list of available devices. If your Roku TV shows up, tap on it and start casting. If your TV doesn't appear, don't worry. You can use your phone instead. Open the MetaQuest app on your phone, start casting on your phone. Then use your phone screen mirroring feature to connect to your Roku TV. Once connected, your VR screen will appear on your TV, so others can watch what you're seeing in real time. For the best experience, stay close to your Wi Fi router and avoid network interruptions. And that's it. You can now enjoy your VR experience on a bigger screen.